So you got the background on biomes. So let's start making some biomes. So we're going to make a biome, and I'm going to show you the difference between the default biome and non-default biomes. So let's go into Unity, and we have our project here. We got VSPro installed. Let's go into the VSPro section here, and over the inspector, we have all the options, and one of them is biomes. And in here, you'll see we've got no biomes, nothing's defined. In order to make a biome, we need to create what is called a vegetation package. A vegetation package is really just the file that Vegetation Studio Pro is going to use to store the information about the biome. So we need to create that file and then assign it in here in order to create a biome. That's where we get started. I like to create all of my biomes in this biome and mass folder that we installed earlier. Um, so what do you do is you come into this biome and mass, you right click, you go up to create awesome technologies, Vegetation Studio Pro, and you can do no texture biome. These other like 4, 8, 12 texture biomes, you can always change your biome to one of those later on. We're not going to be really doing texture biomes, more of an advanced topic, but so that's how you create your vegetation package. Now, when I do that, it's going to give it this default name. I'm just going to rename this one to my first biome. Hit enter. So now I've got that biome, and you might have seen it. There are a couple folders that disappeared here. It's because I had some things left over from when I was testing this. So I got my first biome. So let's go back into Vegetation Studio Pro, go into biomes, and all we're going to do is we're going to take this vegetation package that we just created, and we're going to drag it over here. And as soon as we do that, we have our new biome. And you can see that the vegetation package it's using is the one we just created, but this is empty at this point. We don't have anything in our biome yet. And it's labeled as our default biome, okay? And we're gonna leave that go for now. And let's just call this again, we're gonna give it a name, something descriptive, but for now it's my first biome. I would recommend if you guys have, something that makes sense to you, you'll understand as you create these, give it a descriptive name, that way you can understand what it is. So I got this and I got my first biome. Now we're gonna come up here to edit biomes, and we're gonna make sure that it is selected here, and we see it is, and it's the default biome. And let's add a tree to it. And how we do that is we see this section called Add Vegetation Items. And all we do is we drag the prefab for whatever item we want into the appropriate box. So in our case, let's go down to trees. I like this broadleaf. And remember, this prefab that was already created, let's stick to the prefabs that came with the base project because we know that they're good. They have the colliders, they've got our LOD set up correctly. So let's go back up to Vegetation Studio Pro. I've got my edit biome screen up. I've got my prefab over here. I'm gonna drag my broadleaf over here and drop it on tree. And and oh boy, I've got trees wow, what a forest. That's the default biome, okay? Whenever you put something in the default biome, it plants everywhere, okay? That comes in handy if you're using image-based texturing and some more advanced things, but that's not what we want here. But I just wanted to show you that because if you create a default biome and this happens, that's why it happens. Default plants everywhere. And we can fix this. Let's go back to biomes and let's change this from default and let's change it to biome 1. You can use any of these you want. If these names make sense, you can use them. They're just names. That's it. I like to use these more generic ones. So let's just call this biome 1. And you can see as soon as I do that, that's gone, because any other thing other than the default, we have to explicitly tell VS Pro where and how to plant that, okay? So we just created our first biome. We change it from the default to the regular, and in the next lesson, I'm going to be showing you some more things about VS Pro.